Alberta's restrictions exemption program, our proof of vaccination system, is based on this basic and obvious fact. When we launched it on September 20th, it was about ensuring Albertans who choose to protect themselves and others can safely do as many things as possible without public health restrictions. That's because if you are vaccinated, you pose a much smaller risk of spreading COVID, and if you're exposed to it, you face a dramatically lower chance of a severe outcome like hospitalization or death. The numbers here in Alberta bear this out. For example, every single Albertan under the age of 40 who has lost their life to this virus has been unvaccinated. That's why today I'm announcing steps to make it easier and more secure for people and businesses to participate in the program, the REP, and to limit the spread of COVID-19. As of today, Alberta's new verification app to scan proof for vaccinations with a QR code is available for download on the Apple App Store and on Google Play. Businesses and organizations can immediately use the free app at Alberta COVID Records Verifier to quickly and easily check the authenticity of a vaccine record. Albertans can get their enhanced vaccine record with a QR code online at alberta.ca/COVID records. That's alberta.ca/COVID records. There is no need to create an account. All you need to do is enter your Alberta Health Card number.
So the first step is we download the app to an Android or Apple smartphone. The app uses a person's QR code. And if you're seeing online, and I can't see it in this room, but it may be online, if you take a look, you'll see what the enhanced vaccine record looks like. It includes your name, date of birth, COVID vaccinations, and the QR code. Now, once it's scanned in the app, the next slide will show what comes up. When a valid QR code is scanned, a green check mark will verify the person and ensure that they are vaccinated. It will also display the person's name, date of birth, which businesses can then check against their ID for people aged 18 and up. The record will show as invalid if a person does not meet the vaccination requirement or if the QR code has been tampered with. Now, privacy of health information is vitally important. So to repeat, the app does not store any personal information, and it does not link to any external data. The QR code isn't a hot link to an external database or website. All of the required information is contained within the code itself.
So needless to say, the situation still remains extremely serious. The number of Albertans needing ICU care has fallen by a small amount in the past week. But it's still too early to suggest that this is a trend. But it's a good sign, and it's a faint silver lining to what has been a very difficult period for our healthcare system. We're starting to see some light at the end of the tunnel, and if we all continue to work together and do the right thing, the light will only get brighter. So please, let's follow the restrictions. Let's stay home if we feel unwell, and please get immunized as quickly as possible.